We've got a bit of a storm coming. It's blowing the fence panel out. Oh dear. Oh, it's cold today, buddy. I'm blowing a hoolie. We're a little bit sheltered here, but the weather is extremely windy. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to take Woody and just do a bit of soaring with him, and use this bad weather to get Woody up and get him on the soar. Put some telemetry on, because anything can happen when you're doing this. So what we're expecting to see, get a few pigeons in this ivy. They'll be shouting, Woody will be soaring above, hoping to see a few flights on those, maybe, possibly, maybe not. But Woody is fairly fit now. He's done this a lot of times, so he should be reasonable. It's just the weight issue is the thing. Normally we only do this. He's already getting left now, as you see. We normally do this when he's at a slightly lower weight. It's just in return. It's not as large as we would normally. You have to be so careful and know your hole, because they can get blown into trees. So there is a risk to it, and you've got to know your hawk's going to return. There he goes, and now he's getting his lift. You can see him now. That's just what we want. Test his response. Turning nice, that's good. So hopefully he'll get back up on the saw. I didn't want to let him go too long without calling him back, just so he realises I've got the food for him. Walk along here now, see if we can get something flushed up for him. There he is. So he will hunt from the saw. Magnificent sight. I love doing this. How great is that? It's just the best. But you've got to be careful, because in this wind your hawk could get just blown away, and if they're not the right weight, well, they just go off. Let's get him going along here now, see if they can see anything. He's following us along, watching the dog. So he's hunting from the saw now. Fabulous. See how he keeps nice and low. They know how to work the wind. And he's up again. We just need him to get a bit of height. How beautiful is that? To have your hawk soaring above you. Right up there now, calling back in. Kestrel there mobbing. Look at that. And there's the kestrel. So he's not going as high as he would normally go, which is fair enough. That's what he wants to do, and I'm going to keep him loyal now by giving him a large feed. There's that kestrel again. He's coming in. See there, Kestrel following him down. So he's having a good old feed up, but he's not had his ration yet, but he knows it's worth coming back. I'm going to turn him into the wind. He'll feel better that way, eating his food. So I was hoping for this type of flight, and Woody's not let me down. Of course, if he saw a rabbit, he'd be going for the rabbit as well. See him, he's like a little dot up there now. Let's call him in again. No whistle, let's just try him with a hand up. So he can see me, he knows my fist is raised, can't see the food. He's getting in a good position there, folding his wings in now. And he's going to drop down into that wind, wings in. There he comes, look at that. Well done, Woody. You're doing us proud today, mate. Call him in for his last bit of food.